Okay.
So, yeah, I gotta cook
Try it.
for all the executive chefs tomorrow.
Are we ready?
We're ready.
Are we going to ebay.com?
Go on your bad websites.
Okay.
Can't go in. Access denied.
You are kidding me! This is ridiculous.
Access denied. Go on a website that doesn't get an access denied. You know, like one of the ones that you're always on.
Not a dirty site.
That you obviously have saved in your favorites.
This is my acronym page.
It's okay for you to be there. I
That,
guess.
yeah, medical terminology. We are allowed to access that. Go on something you're not supposed to be in.
Okay. Cool.
Online shopping, not what we're supposed to be doing.
Kohl's.
Good day. Wash. Oh, maybe not.
No, maybe not.
I can go on Kohl's.
All right,
It's not
try
eBay.
something else.
Exactly. All right.
So they like Kohl's?
They must like Kohl's.
But it does it for Walmart.
Walmart?
What'd you do, turn it off?
No.
It's because I'm here. It's
I know, maybe it's because I'm recording it.
Online shopping denied.
Will you go on to a website because you're on just as much as I?
I am not.
Is that Denise?
She needs you.
Who is this? Yes? She's monitoring me. We were just videotaping. And I went to
Hello,
Walmart.com
HIPAA violation.
and it did it. But I go to my Yahoo and it's not supposed to do it. Because I have work stuff in there too.
Work stuff in Yahoo.
Diane, Denise is in on it.
Shut up. She's monitoring me.
You're
Are you
in
monitoring Diane?
trouble.
She's monitoring everyone. Diane, type in eBay or Walmart.
Let's see. What do I like
I'll let
to
you go
type
figure
in?
this out. I gotta go figure out what I'm gonna